What's up guys, it's your boy Yuguza and I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Osmo Mobile 3 combo. It's a stick for phones, you can also use it for GoPro, and I'll do the unboxing to show you what you get in the package, and afterwards I'll be installing my phone on it so you'll see how it works. So let's start with it. Package real good. The support paper. Let's see. So basically what you have to do is download the app and then connect your phone with Bluetooth to the stick, and that's basically it. Afterwards you'll see what you can do with it. Just a second, let's take everything out, see what we got. So that's all. What's inside here? Let's do the unboxing. Going. Nice packaging, but still you have to figure out how to open it without do it like this. No, do it like this. No. What do we have here? A wrist strap, put it around your wrist so the stick doesn't fall. You have a cable, it's a USB-C cable. That's good, that's the new standard guys, USB-C. Then we have let's see, a bag, carrying bag from DJI. It's nice, soft. Okay. Next up, okay. I think these rubbers are to clamp your phone with it. Yeah, phone can, if required, use the anti-slip pads to secure a mobile phone to the phone holder. Okay, so I was right. It's for that. What's next? Oh, it's a little tripod. Oh, it's very nice. If you look at it, it's a nice tripod. It has the DJI logo on it, rubber feet, so it doesn't damage your table and doesn't wobble. It's nice. So now, let's open this one.
Choose it, don't lose it, don't let confuse.
This is a nice carrying case. It's hard. Has a nice finish. And here you have the holder. Behold, the holder. Let's see. How does it work? Blah blah blah. Using your mobile phone. Okay, bunch of things to do. But let's put it on. Let's see what happens. How does it work? Okay. It's nice. So we have a button for recording and taking pictures. So basically what does this do? It stabilizes when you're filming. Stabilizes your phone so it doesn't appear like you're using it like a normal person. It's like when you use this, it's like a professional, you know? You can also use it to make stills, so to make unboxings like I'm doing now, but I'm not using that one, using something else right now. Now it's not connected to my phone, and that's why it's just turning around all the time. See now, the tripod just screws under it. You screw it in. Don't get the wrong idea, guys. You can put it here, or you can use the tripod to take selfies or other sort of videos. Do we have something else in the box? Let's see. No, there's nothing else. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this or I'll throw this out of the carrying bag, carrying case, I don't know. So you also got the carrying bag, but I think you can take everything with you in the carrying case. Let's see if it's possible. So you have the stick. Just wait, let's turn it off. Okay, it's turned off. How does it work? Like this. Oh, it's easy. Then let's put it in. Fits right in. But here we cannot fit anything else. Maybe the cables. Let's see, where are the cables? Put it here somewhere. Yeah, I think the cable it's manageable. You can put it here. And the wrist strap, yeah, the wrist strap. You can put it once you put it on it, it stays on it. So okay. And here on the back, let's zip this. Okay. Then here on the back, put the tripod. Nice. And you can put that around your arm and carry it. It's not very convenient, but okay. You can also put it in the bag. It depends on the preference. I think a hard shell carrying case is much better than a bag. So guys, this is how it looks like with a phone on it. Let's open it up. Just a sec. So you just pull it up like this. Up. And watch it up. Watch what happens when you push the button. Put it on. Sec. It's balancing. See? If you don't like that and you want to make it another position, you can do it like this. And tell it to stay straight. This is a stick. You can turn around with it. And normally when you take it up, you can see it tries to balance the camera. This is just a dummy phone, so I'm recording with my phone. I'll be making another video on how the recordings look. This is just to show you how it works. You have a record button here. That's when you install the app, then you can use it. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. If you liked the video, please subscribe. It helps a lot. Making these videos takes some time. So, see you in the next one. Ciao!